Introducing the Lasko Small Portable Ceramic Space Heater, a compact and powerful solution to keep your bathroom and other living spaces warm and comfortable during the cold winter months. This review delves into the features and benefits of this heater, highlighting its rapid heating, user-friendly design, and safety measures. Discover how this little heater can make a big difference in your daily comfort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fast and efficient heating. This heater lives up to its promise of heating the bathroom quickly and efficiently. During those chilly winter mornings, it's a relief to step out of the shower into a warm and steamy bathroom. The 1500-watt ceramic heating element, combined with 3 heat settings, ensures that you can enjoy spa-like comfort as you towel off. Number 2. Compact and space-saving. One of the standout features of this heater is its small and mighty design. Standing less than 8 inches tall and with a footprint of just 6.25 inches by 6.25 inches, it occupies minimal counter, table, desk, or floor space. Its compact size allows for easy storage when not in use, making it a versatile addition to any room in your home. Number 3. User-friendly operation. Using this heater is a breeze. There's no need for assembly. Simply take it out of the box and plug it directly into a wall outlet. The control interface is straightforward, featuring a single large button on the top. With a press, you can activate high heat for 1 hour. Press again for continuous high heat. Press a third time for low heat, and a fourth time to turn it off. It's user-friendly and hassle-free. Number 4. Safety and peace of mind. Safety is a top priority with this heater. It comes equipped with an integrated ALCI safety plug, which quickly shuts off power in the event of a short circuit. Additionally, it's ETL listed and features automatic overheat protection. The self-regulating ceramic heating element and cool-to-the-touch exterior provide peace of mind when using the heater for extended periods. Number 5. Versatile usage. While designed for bathroom use, the heater's versatility extends throughout your home. It effectively eliminates cold spots in any room, allowing you to save on energy costs by avoiding the need to turn up the whole house thermostat on chilly days and nights. Whether in the bathroom, bedroom, living room, or home office, it serves its purpose well. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 7.65 inches depth by 6.25 inches width by 6.25 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Fast and efficient heating. Compact and space-saving design. User-friendly one-button operation. Safety features including an ALCI plug and overheat protection. 1 reason not to buy. Requires manual adjustment for time and temperature. Conclusion. The Lasko Small Portable Ceramic Space Heater is an excellent addition to your home, especially if you want to enjoy a warm and cozy bathroom experience during the winter. Its compact size, efficient heating, and safety features make it a valuable asset in any room, backed by the trustworthiness of the Lasko brand. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.